I thought I'd show you the inside of this clock because I never have quite yet. I didn't on the original video because I had no need to. However, since I'm taking this day off and I really don't have much to do, I'm just going to open it up so you can see the movement in this. What needs to come out is that taper pin there that holds the washer, the minute hand, and the hour hand on. And then what also needs to come off are these screws here, and that will take the face off. The bezel is screwed in under the face, which is how the bezel stays on. The bracket for the bezel is actually right there. So let's get to it. Out comes the taper pin, washer, minute hand, and the hour hand. Unscrew, last one, and oh, nope, that was not the last one. And out comes the face. Here's the inside. This is a Seth Thomas movement with a deadbeat escapement. It is an 8-day. I believe those gears there are either ratchets or they're a specific mechanism that helps keep the clock from being overwound. Like, just for example, I'm gonna wind up the chime side actually, because I don't want to. Never mind, I think those are just gears that are there for some reason, but I'll go ahead and show you winding it up anyway. There. It does help prevent the clock from being overwound actually. That gear won't move when the spring won't move anymore, so very neat mechanism to prevent overwinding. There's the gong. I think that's down there. They're supposed to be leather, but it's just metal but that's okay. It's held in by 4 screws, and of course if there's count wheel striking. Let me demonstrate how it looks in operation. Oops. Apparently it's... Here we go. Perhaps. Okay. That's how that looks in operation. Now for the hour. This is going to be 12 o'clock. $12:30, 1 o'clock, 1:30, 1 or 2 o'clock. So that's how a count wheel works. If you didn't know, the count wheel just literally counts the hour. Let me see if I can show you that second pallet. There it is. There's the first, or the second pallet, and there's the first pallet up there. And of course down here is the pendulum. Now the face is back on. There's our hour hand. And here's our minute hand, washer, and taper pin. And it's in now. I was close. And the time is 11:30. So I'll put it at 11:34 thereabout. And we're set. This bezel is so annoying. So that's the inside of Seth Thomas Short Drop. Next video will probably be the inside of that one. I've actually never seen it yet.